Today I've got something different to unbox. It is possibly my most wanted pair of shoes for a long time. And I refused to buy from that demon website, so when Demonia finally released them on their own place, I was like, thank God. Bought them the second I saw the notification. I didn't really like, no offense to anyone who has them, I didn't really like the hot pink version, so I wanted to wait for the complete pastel, and hopefully it was worth the wait. So let's just get on with it. It came really fast. I'm in the UK. I think I ordered them Tuesday or Wednesday and today's Monday. So yeah, they came really quickly. Let's just open them. It's this box. Here's what you see when you open the box. They are beautiful. Oh, slight glue mark, that's okay, it's come off. There's one or two little kind of glue marks that I've just been able to like rub away with my finger, completely dry, so that's not an issue at all. I just thought I'd mention it. Beautiful. Open the other one. These are the boots, just like the pictures. Inside they've got some card, tissue paper. That's it, just one bit of card and one tissue paper. Fabulous. I'm just quickly putting them on before I get changed and show you a proper look with them. They're perfect. So I'm a UK 5 or a European 38, and normally that would be, in my experience, a 7 in the US. However, on Demonia's site, they convert a 7 as a 6. No, other way around. They convert a UK 5 as a US 8, which is a size up than what it usually would be. So in the past, when I've ordered from Demonia, whether it's a UK stockist or Demonia themselves, if I've ordered a UK 5, what's arrived has been a US 8, and it's always been too big. So I would recommend, if you're in the US, sorry, if you're in the UK or you're in Europe, I would recommend ignoring the size conversion that's on Demonia's website and buying your size below, the size that most places converted to. For example, I think YRU converts correctly. So I would always buy a 7 in YRU because I'm UK 5. So I buy a 7 in Demonia, which according to Demonia is a UK 6. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, putting these on, I was absolutely correct to do that, because this fits perfect and I actually still have some room at the toe. What I love about these is this is adjustable. So if you have thick calves, if you have bigger legs, or if you have skinnier legs, you can tighten them, you can loosen them. They're not like go-go boots where you kind of have to risk stretching or them being too loose. Amazing. I'll try and do 3 different looks, we'll see how I go.
So this first look is
the jumper I was wearing before, obviously, and then I've paired it with a skirt I made for a Halloween costume, and then I've cinched it in with a thick black elastic belt, and then I've also got my Sugar Bones bum bag on there as well, just to tie in the pink a bit more. And then I also want to show you on the left, if you look, just how much a thick belt can do. This is one of my favourite things for a silhouette, is to add a nice belt on top of like a really puffy skirt. So yeah, fashion tip for you there. This next look is a dress from Cotton Candy Apparel. It's actually pink and white pinstripe, but from far away it just looks like light pink. I've paired it with a bag I made. It should be coming out soon-ish on my website. I just want to make a few tweaks to it before I start selling them. But yeah, I do really like this outfit, but I am quite body conscious, so I probably wouldn't wear this out. If you're really happy with your body, go for it. I'm happy for you and I'm jealous of you. This final look, I wanted to show that you actually don't need to be a person who just wears pastels or wears pink all the time to wear these boots. I found this coat which had pink fur in it, which I thought was perfect, because then it also had other colours of fur in it as well, and then I thought that would be perfect to tie in the boots but also wear another colour. So that concludes my video. I hope you liked it. If you want to support me, subscribe, leave a comment, and check out my website, Big Pink Boutique, and I will see you in the next one.